let's go to the beach. Ayan. So this is beautiful beach, guys. Beautiful they are. And start from there. There's a lifeguard house. And there's a restaurant right on the corner. So here guys, have a look at this beautiful beach. Kelcare Beach, New South Wales.